Hi, second grade. We are going to go over lesson 5-8, solve one-step and two-step problems. So first we're going to start with our two-step problem, our word problem, then we're going to go to our one-step problem. So this is a two-step problem, so that means that you have to do two equations. So every single time when I have a story problem, I always underline what numbers I'm going to be using. So I see 24, 8, and 12. So it says there are 24 grapes on Leo's plate. Leo eats 12 grapes. Then Leo's mom puts 8 more grapes on Leo's plate. How many grapes are on Leo's plate now? So let's go ahead and figure out what our first equation is. So it says there are 24 grapes on Leo's plate. So we know that that is our whole, or that is our sum. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in our bar diagram. And then Leo eats 12. So if he says it eats, that means that they're gone or take away. So that means that we are going to be subtracting. So 12 is an add-in. We're trying to figure out what our other add-in is. So now we have 24 minus 12 equals 12. So the other add-in to that is 12. So now it says, then Leo's mom puts 8 more grapes on Leo's plate. How many grapes are on Leo's plate? So we just figured out that there were 12 grapes, right? That was our sum right here. Now we're going to be adding, because his mom put 8 more grapes on, so now we are going to be adding 8 plus 12. That is our second equation that we are going to be adding. So we are going to have, my computer seems a little stuck right now. There we go. We have 8 plus 12, so we have 8 right here, and 12 as our other add-in, and we don't know what our sum is. So let's do 8 plus 12, and I know 8 plus 12 equals 20, so our answer is Leo has 20 grapes on his plate now. So that was our two-step problem. We had 2 equations, and we had to figure out how many grapes were on his plate. Now we're just going to do a one-step problem. So it says, Allie has 28 apples. She sells some at the farmer's market. Now Allie has 14 left. How many apples did she sell at the farmer's market? So I'm going to go ahead and underline my numbers that I'm going to be using in this equation, which is 28 and 14. So I know Allie had 28 apples, so that's going to be my sum, or my whole. And one of my parts, or one of my add-ins, is going to be 14 because that's our other number. And we're trying to figure out what our other add-in is. So you could either add, you could say 14 plus what equals 28. So you could do 14 plus how many more gets you to 28. Or you could do 28 minus 14 equals what? And you can always use a number line manipulatives to try to figure this equation out. So 28 minus 14, and I know 28 minus 14 equals 14, so our missing add-in is 14. So Allie sold 14 apples at the farmer's market. So that was solving one-step and two-step problems. I hope that helped. Thank you. Bye.